this again, and we're going with everything down. Like.
So here's your Allen wrench storage and any other tools you want to add to the set. And this drawer slides in and then it snaps so it won't fall out. We'll go to number 2.
This it snaps in easily, so if it fell over, it's fine. I don't think these will snap in though.
And this is all your 3/8" drive here in this drawer. And it snaps in just like the bottom box. And then we'll go to the upper box. This
one does snap in. No.
And these are all your 1/2" here, and then 1/4" drive sockets that snap in. They're all lasered and etched, showing what size it is. And that drawer snaps in just like the other 2. Then we open the top part, and your baby wrenches, I guess, will just stay in the bag like that. You have your screwdrivers and various bits here. Your ratchets, 1/4", 3/4", 1/2", various extensions. Your spark plug ratchets or sockets. And then your wrenches here and your drivers here, and here's your nut drivers. So, and then everything in the top locks in so they don't fall out, and it closes tightly together. And
there's a holder to hold it. I can barely even hold it. I can't hold it. It's too heavy.